My name is Daniel Ludwig, and this is my high-ticket closer testimonial. So let's get started. What initially inspired me to join the HTC program? Well, I had two reasons. The first reason was I never really felt that my communication skills were that strong. That and I have no selling skills or selling experience whatsoever. I work in the oil and gas industry, and every now and then I have an opportunity to go down to corporate Calgary for meetings. And through observation, I noticed that those individuals that are high up in the company and well respected, they all have something in common, and that they have an incredible ability to communicate well, to motivate and inspire their teams as well as to sell. So I knew this was a skill that I'm going to have to learn in order to be successful in my own life. And the second reason why I joined the HTC program was to make some of that FU money. So how is HTC program different from the other programs out there? Well, it's different in one specific way, and it's that we're active and engaged on the information that's presented to us in the webinar. So most courses, same thing, they'll teach the program via webinar, students are taking notes, but I find taking notes still a very, very passive exercise. So what Dan's done, which is absolutely brilliant, is that after each webinar, he's got homework assignments that help to force and really drive in those concepts into our brains to make them stick. That and role playing on Discord, the whole point of high-ticket closing is learning those closing skills by being able to practice them on Discord by role play is incredibly powerful. So that is why the HTC program is different from the other programs out there, is that we're actually acting on the material, and Downlock is holding us to a very, very high standard. So one thing that surprised me about the HTC program was the mindset training. I enrolled in this program fully expecting it to be a sales course in which I'll learn some sales skills, some techniques, what to say when. So yeah, the mindset part of the course was really surprising to me, and I think the most beneficial and empowering part of the course. I've learned so much about myself by doing the WISE exercise and understanding the higher and the lower self. I'm now more consciously aware of what my brain's doing and how it thinks, because I used to be able to talk myself out of a lot of stuff, analysis paralysis, and now that I understand that about my brain and how it works, it's really powerful. I have a new level of awareness. And then also, as life would happen, shit comes at you all the time, and it used to stress me out and get me frustrated. But through the affirmations and the mindset training, is shit happens. You're like, okay, whatever, you deal with it, move on. It's not a big deal anymore. How has Dan impacted me? The number one thing I'd say is my confidence. If 7 weeks ago you told me to submit a video to you guys, there would have been a snowball's chance in hell that would have happened. I'll tell you that right now. But yeah, my confidence, even in my day-to-day interactions, I used to walk around with my head down all the time, and I do deal with customers daily basis for my job, but I'd give them no eye contact or very little eye contact. And through the mindset training, the affirmations, I'm now this new awareness. I carry myself a little higher, my head's up, and I'm looking at my customers when I'm talking about discussing things with them, and I feel much more respected because of that. So thank you, Dan. I've learned the skill set now. Where am I going to be 12 months down the road? So 12 months down the road, I want to be high-ticket closing to the point that the amount of money I'm making from high-ticket closing will replace what I'm making from my current job. So I can quit my job and have more time and freedom to go on vacations and road trips with my friends and family. And due to the nature of the business of the oil and gas industry, it's a very structured, very regimented rotation schedule, and I've missed out on a lot of these opportunities to enjoy life with my family and friends because of my current career and job. So I want to change that, and like I said, I want to make what I'm making right now in my current job, but as a high-ticket closer, and that's my goal 12 months from now. So for anyone who's considering HTC or is kind of skeptical, or they're shying away because of the investment, the $2,500, which, for some people it's a lot of money. But let me tell you this, if you're stuck in life and you're looking for that change, but you're not sure what change to make or how you're going to get there or what to do about it, the HTC program is for you. It's going to give you the right nudge. It's going to give you the directions, the training you need to open your eyes to a whole new life, and it's totally worth it. Knowing what I know now, having gone through the program, if I was broke and on the street, I would have done everything in my power to get into this program, because it is absolutely life-changing and transformational. And for that, I thank you, Dan Locke. Thank you, Kayvon K. Thank you, Desmond Soon. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys soon. Take care.